Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to get NordVPN coupon code. So all we gotta do is go to our web browser. In my case, I'll go to Google Chrome and then I'll search for NordVPN latest code. And then in here, I'm gonna click this, and here you can see the NordVPN discount codes in September 2024. So you just scroll down until you see your desired coupon. So just like that. And then for example, we're going to get this coupon code. All we gotta do is click this and quickly go back. And we can see here the copy code. All we gotta do is click that copy code. And there you go. You have your coupon code in NordVPN.